What's up? Today we're doing another video. We're basically just killing the ogre with a stick. I mean, one of the friends is here, so come on. Purple and yellow are not.
Don't kick him. I sure went offline.
Okay, back to what I was doing. So basically, we're just killing the ogre with a stick.
Not. Okay.
Hold on. I just realized.
Did you kick him? Did you just kick him? Bruh. It's okay. Whatever.
Alright, so basically, this still counts as a stick, because this is the real stick, but this is just a skin.
Fair enough. Why do we have this in here still?
That was the bag I used for the egg. Anyways, I got some bones. So now we can kill Ogie Boy. Bones are basically sticks.
True. Fair enough. I'm using the old-fashioned.
Oh crap, I forgot a hook shot. Wait. I have to kill a chicken.
I'll say Ogie's coming. Ogie behind you! Run. Throwing rocks.
Chicken jockey.
Sean's calling me, hold on.
No! I'm gonna kill you with an RPG if you get close. If you throw that rock at me, I'm gonna kill you with an RPG. Oh!
Also, don't walk on the sticks or else they'll break. I don't know what he's running on. There's someone here.
Don't worry, Ogie. Oh, I gotta grab that sticky dynamite in a sec. I gotta juke him.
Where are you?
Trying to grab a sticky dynamite from Ogie's feet. Gay. Yes, it's on his leg! No!
Die from?
Kill me, Dad.
Popcorn is coming.
Ogie is not dead from the sticky dynamite. Ogie's dead!
I did it! I did it! I did it! Yippee!
Revive me! We killed Ogie with sticky dynamite, I guess.
Yeah, the stick wouldn't really work.
Yeah, I mean, we still tried.
What's in the box?
Let me!
A light! I got a light!
Gimme! Gimme! Gimme, 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 gimme. Hey! No, I'll chicken jockey you. I'll chicken jockey you.
Oh.
If you don't let me chicken jockey you, I will kill you.
I'm not going in there.
I will. We have a light, don't worry. Don't worry, we have a light source.
Yeah, the chicken. Oh my god, I was holding.
I see the turkey.
I'm going up. Here. Light.
Let's go back.
I could just buy these, by the way.
Let's go back for the intro. I'm just gonna cut this out.
Bro, that wasn't even the video. We're doing this.
I have a shortcut. Outro time.